So question number 3. So for question number 3, we have 10 root 3 over root 5 minus root 15 all square. So let's solve that. So we can write this as 10 root 3 over root 5 minus root 15 into brackets, and then 10 root 3 over root 5 minus root 15. So we've just expanded the square that we have here. So now we are going to use what we have here to in the first bracket to multiply what we have in the second bracket. So to start with, we are going to multiply 10 root 3 over root 5 with everything that we have here. So 10 root 3 multiplied by 10 root 3. So that will give us 300. This is it. 10 times 10 is 100. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. So 3 times 100 will give us 300. So I'm skipping some steps because if you avoid the previous part of this video, you'll be able to understand the multiplication of surd. So over root 5 multiplied by root 5, that will give us 5. So now 10 root 3 multiplied by root 15, that will give us minus this minus sign. So we are going to have minus 10 root 45 over root 5. So now you are going to use minus root 15 to multiply what we have in the second bracket. So that will give us, so minus root 15 multiplied by 10 root 3 over root 5. So that will give us minus 10 root 45 minus 10 root 45 over root 5. So 10 multiplied by root 15 times root 3, that's why we arrive as root 45 over 5. Then minus root 15 multiplied by minus root 15, that will give us plus 15. So 300 divided by 5, that's 60. So moving forward, we are going to have 60 plus 15, that will give us 75. Here we have minus 10 root 45 over 5. Also we have minus 10 root 45 over 5. So that will give us minus 20 root 45 over 5. Okay, root 5, not only over 5, root 5. So here we have 45. We can also simplify this as 75 minus 20 root 9 times 5. Don't forget, 9 times 5 will still give us 25. So let's bring our then over 5. So that will give us 75 minus, so this will give us 3 times root 5. The 3 will use it to multiply this 20. That will give us 60. So that will be 75 minus 60 root 5 over 5. So that will be 60 root 5 over root 5. So we can just assume this to be over 1. It's still the same thing. So we can look for the LCM. The LCM of this is root 5. So root 5 divided by 1, that's still root 5, multiplied by 75. So we have 75 root 5 minus root 5 divided by root 5 is 1, multiplied by 60 root 5. So we have 60 root 5. So this will give us 75 root 5 minus 60 root 5. That will give us 15 root 5 over root 5. So at this junction, root 5 can cancel root 5, so leaving us with 15. So the answer to question number 3 is 15. So here is the solution. So that is it. We've come to the end of surd. In case you have any question or any comment, kindly leave it in the comment section below. If you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, kindly click on this subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video series. Thank you.